North American hydraulic excavator market has shown much improvement since the 1975 recession. This market is directly affected by housing starts, the funding of government EPA sewage projects, and energy-related construction, such as pipelines and mining. Industry forecasts call for steady improvement and stability through the mid-1980s. In 1977, the North American market registered a 47% gain over 1976. In 1978, the market increased 3%. And for 1979, another 3% gain is forecast for an industry total of over 5,200 units. These units will represent over $450 million in retail sales. In today's North American market, over 32% of all hydraulic excavators sold are in the 40 to 50,000 pound class. Now, the reason this size machine is preferred by a majority of contractors is because it's large enough to perform a wide range of jobs and yet small enough to be transported with ease and speed. Market research indicates that the 640HD size machine will be sold in these markets: water and sewage, residential construction, commercial construction, forestry, government, and various other markets. Let's face it, the potential market demand for hydraulic excavators is growing. So, with this in mind, let's take a good look at the features of the International 640HD. Never before in the history of international excavators has a new model been so extensively tested prior to its introduction. The 640HD retains many of the new and improved components and systems designed into the 3984B. The testing began at our Genasse manufacturing facility, where new components and systems are continually tested. Once the design was finalized, prototype units underwent hours of functional endurance testing. In addition, the 640HD has had the benefits of our Melrose Park Crawler Engineering Group and the Phoenix Proving Grounds for extensive component stress analysis tests and machine endurance testing here in the United States. Incorporated into the 640HD are new high-speed travel motors with automatic brakes, an independent swing system, International's DT358 turbocharged diesel engine, a factory-mounted cab with a deluxe suspension seat and full pilot-operated controls, an adjustable boom, modern functional styling, and a very important new feature, a wider track gauge. Let's examine these features, starting from the ground up. Now, a proven feature on international excavators is the trouble-free, service-free undercarriage. The 640HD utilizes severe-duty E6 crawler components with lifetime sealed rollers, fully sealed final drives, and standard chain guides. 4 triple Grouser shoes are available in 20-inch, standard 24-inch, 28-inch, and 33.5-inch widths. The 3984B excavator was a strong, productive machine, but the 640HD has a new feature to help improve your customer's production even more. We've increased the track gauge by 7.5 inches, and this improvement gives us up to 15% more lift capacity over the side. So, when you're talking about increased production, make sure your customers know about this improvement. The 640HD is propelled by high-speed travel motors and double-reduction final drives. The final drive assemblies incorporate automatic wet disc brakes, which are spring-applied and hydraulically released. In the event of a hydraulic failure, the brakes will automatically engage, stopping the unit safely. Protecting the travel motors are individual guards, which are standard equipment. Now, what does all this mean to the customer? Well, the high-speed travel motors deliver over 37,000 pounds of drawbar pull. Combine this with 70% gradability and a travel speed of 1.56 miles per hour, and you've got a machine that not only can get the job done, why, you've got a machine that can work where other excavators can't. Automatic wet disc brakes enable this unit to work on steep inclines without fear of creeping down the slope. Another major feature of the 640HD is the independent swing system, which is usually found only on larger, more expensive excavators. With an independent swing, our machine operates efficiently and smoothly even on steep inclines. This independent swing system incorporates the latest design concepts. A separate hydraulic pump provides full power to the swing motor at all times. The high-speed, low-torque, 40-horsepower swing motor converts the hydraulic power to mechanical effort through a double-reduction planetary swing reducer, and transmits the power through a monoblock pinion shaft and gear to the swing gear, smoothly turning the upper structure on double roller bearings. A cushion relief valve and separate swing control valve bank complete the swing circuit to furnish a positive, efficient swing. A manual swing brake is also standard equipment. The brake is actuated by a hand lever in the operator's compartment. This drum-type brake provides positive swing locking, an important feature for operating on an incline, laying pipe, or whenever exact positioning is critical. The 640HD's independent swing system means full hydraulic flow at all times for faster cycle times and greater productivity. No matter what the other systems are doing, traveling, digging, or lifting, the swing is always live and ready to provide a smooth, precise rotation of the upper structure. At the heart of the hydraulic system on any excavator are the hydraulic pumps. The 640HD's variable displacement hydraulics means just one thing: efficiency. Two variable displacement piston pumps deliver the power and the speed when and where they're needed. Both pumps are constantly adjusting the flow automatically to meet the digging condition. Now, this means that our excavator provides maximum hydraulic power at all times with a minimum amount of horsepower. And to the owner of the 640HD, that spells efficiency and fuel economy. These compact variable displacement pumps have all of the same proven reliability and performance characteristics of those found on larger, more expensive machines. And a third piston pump has been added to supply power to the independent swing. All three pumps provide a maximum flow of 128 gallons per minute, 96 gallons per minute to the dig and travel circuits, and 32 gallons per minute to the swing system. Combine these superior piston pumps with improved pilot-operated stack-type control valves, and you have the finest hydraulic system available on any excavator today. The hydraulic cooling system has been designed to maintain the proper hydraulic oil temperature in all working conditions. The aluminum oil cooler is totally independent of the engine cooling system to ensure the maximum cooling efficiencies of both systems. Cooling outside air is drawn through the cooler with a heavy-duty hydraulic motor and fan. The oil is then returned to the reservoir, which is equipped with two full-flow 10-micron return line filters. The reservoir is ideally located directly over the pumps. This arrangement assures a positive suction head, which helps in preventing pump cavitation. To help prevent hydraulic system contamination, the reservoir has a sight gauge visible from either the operator's compartment or the ground, and this allows for easy fluid level inspection without removing the reservoir cover. To help increase the durability and reliability of the 640HD, the hydraulic cylinder end caps have been reinforced with additional ribs. Also, all of the high-pressure hydraulic hoses have been upgraded. And to prevent damage while transporting, a dipper stop has been made standard. With all these features, we can confidently state that the 640HD's hydraulic system has been engineered specifically for reliability and efficient, smooth performance. Now let's take a look at the diesel engine powering this hydraulic system. The International D358 has proven itself in the 3984 and the 3964B excavators as an efficient, reliable, and economical engine. The 640HD uses a turbocharged version of this engine, the DT358 diesel, with an SAE net rating of 120 horsepower. The DT358 provides an additional 18% horsepower and 22.5% more torque than the D358. So, the 640HD definitely has the muscle to get the job done. Quick response and a high torque rise are the keys to good performance on any excavator. And our DT358 has it. The turbocharged DT358 is a clean and quiet diesel, and it's also exceptionally economical on fuel consumption, and that's a big plus with today's rising fuel costs. The turbocharger permits the engine to perform at altitudes as high as 10,000 feet without any loss in power or the need for injection pump adjustments. And this provides owners with the benefit of maximum versatility to work almost any job, anywhere. A 24-volt electrical system with a heavy-duty 27-amp alternator and two 120-amp-hour batteries assures quick starts no matter how cold the outside temperature. Conveniently positioned and protected under the left-hand access door is a dry-type air cleaner with a safety element. A dash-mounted indicator light enables the operator to monitor the condition of the filter from the cab. Under the right-hand access door is the 59.5-gallon fuel tank. We also offer a larger 79-gallon tank as an option. To assure adequate cooling in the hottest climates, we've improved cooling efficiency with a larger engine radiator and a 14-blade suction fan. A major factor in selling any machine is operator comfort, and human-engineered is the only way to describe the 640HD's all-new factory-installed cab. The new cab is larger, with increased window area for better visibility. A skylight is standard for full view of your payload when loading at maximum height. The windshield easily lifts up and can be conveniently stored in the ceiling. The rear window swings out, and the door can be securely locked for maximum ventilation. Windshield wipers, a heater defroster unit, a ventilating fan, and dome light are just a few of the extras that are standard equipment on the International 640HD. To provide operators with the comfort they need to work a long, tough shift, the 640HD has a deluxe, fully adjustable suspension seat. The seat is upholstered in vinyl and cloth, and it's equipped with armrests. A storage compartment is located under the seat for storing routine service tools. Newly positioned pilot-operated short joysticks ensure precise control hour after hour with a minimum of operator effort. The travel pedals are also pilot-operated for minimal effort and improved steering control. A new instrument dash is conveniently located on the right side of the cab, so the operator can monitor the machine's operating conditions at a glance. The dash is equipped with full instrumentation, engine oil pressure, water temperature, and fuel gauges, as well as hydraulic oil filter, temperature, alternator, and air cleaner indicator lights. In addition, an hour meter, transport swing lock pin, and ashtray are also standard. What your customer should realize is simply this. Operating an excavator has never been easier. Full pilot-operated joysticks and travel pedals and a deluxe suspension seat allow operators to work in comfort with minimal effort hour after hour. The new clean lines are much more than just a facelift. This modern style is totally functional for easy serviceability. Large gull-wing doors easily glide up on cylinders to expose the hydraulic components. With the gull-wing door closed, there's a convenient walkway for access to the engine doors, which also flip up for easy servicing. As you can see, the radiator and swing motor covers also tip up for complete access to all maintenance points. As labor costs continue to increase, customers are looking more and more to machines that can be serviced quickly and efficiently, and the 640HD definitely fits this bill. So far, we've discussed the features and benefits of the heavy-duty undercarriage, the variable displacement hydraulic system, and the turbocharged DT358 engine. We've also reviewed our human-engineered cab and the modern functional style designed for ease of service. Now, let's examine the working end of this excavator and see what features are offered here. Our two-piece adjustable boom offers more versatility than any other boom design in the industry. This boom provides 6 different boom positions to meet all job requirements. There's a high and low angulation position for maximum elevation or maximum digging depth. The pre-boom can be positioned in the retracted position for optimum lift and stability. The medium position can be used for all-around versatility, or extended for a reach up to 33 feet 4 inches. 3 dipper sticks are available with the adjustable boom. The standard 8-foot 2-inch stick is used for all-around use. There's a 9-foot 6-inch stick that can be used where extra reach or depth is required, or a 5-foot 11-inch stick is available for additional crowd and breakout force. The popular monoblock boom is available as an option with a choice of 2 dipper sticks, the 8-foot 2-inch or the 9-foot 6-inch stick. So, as you can see, the 640HD can be equipped to meet all of the customer's requirements. Okay, now what about the buckets? Well, here again, International offers a wide range of standard excavating buckets from 25 inches wide with a 1/2 cubic yard capacity to 45 inches wide with a 1 1/8 cubic yard capacity. A new utility bucket has just been introduced to provide the contractor with a high-capacity lightweight bucket. This bucket is 47 inches wide and has a 1 3/8 cubic yard capacity, which is ideal for rehandling and other light-duty applications where capacity means productivity. Both the standard and utility buckets are equipped with ESCO Series 40 replaceable teeth. We also offer ditch cleaning buckets, ranging from 5/8 cubic yard to 1 cubic yard. These are equipped with bolt-on teeth and are perforated for draining excess water. Now, if your digging really gets tough, a ripper tooth is available with a 4-foot sweep and a replaceable tooth tip. In addition, many manufacturers of allied equipment furnish approved attachments for the 640HD. Adjuster buckets, grapples, V-buckets, hydraulic hammers, and magnets are just a few of the numerous attachments that make the 640HD a truly versatile machine. So, regardless of the application, whether it's in a quarry, building a road, preparing a basement site, trenching, laying pipe, or hundreds of other applications, the 640HD hydraulic excavator is engineered to compete strongly in today's market. International excavators have been designed to become leaders in the hydraulic excavator market with reliable, competitive, and productive machines. Gentlemen, the market is here. International's new breed of excavator is here. And now is the time for all of us to go out and aggressively sell this machine. The easily serviced, highly reliable, and extremely productive new International 640HD hydraulic excavator.